Ignoring joint pain often leads to a vicious cycle of rest and worsening discomfort, but there's a better solution. Dr. Zachary Shirley emphasizes that exercise strengthens muscles, keeps joints strong, and reduces pain effectively. Staying active doesn't just ease joint pain, it also boosts your mood, sleep, and overall energy levels. Low-impact exercises, such as walking or water aerobics, are excellent choices for managing chronic joint pain. Try activities like cycling, swimming, or Tai Chi to enhance strength without straining your joints unnecessarily. Start slowly and listen to your body to avoid injury, gradually increasing your activity level for lasting benefits. Don't be discouraged if discomfort arises. Even minor efforts can significantly improve your joint health over time. Avoid high-impact exercises that intensify joint pressure and could exacerbate pain or lead to injuries. Keep an eye on your body's signals. Seek medical advice if pain shifts from dull to sharp intensity. Any movement is better than staying sedentary, especially as you age. Prioritize strength and health for a vibrant life.